Discuss current measurement with electronic instruments. We have discussed the concept of electronic voltmeter earlier. With the help of voltmeter, we can also measure the current of low levels. The current can be measured by measuring the voltage drop across the shunt resistor with the help of voltmeter. And a shunt is a device which allows electric current to pass around another point in the circuit by creating a low resistance path. Thus, we can say that the current can be measured by measuring the voltage drop across the shunt resistor with the help of voltmeter. Now let's understand how the op-amps can be used to measure current. For current measurement, let's take an electronic voltmeter using operational amplifier. It consists of an operational amplifier, series connection of meter, and a series resistance. For measuring current, we insert a shunt resistor. By measuring the voltage drop across the resistor, we can measure the current flowing through this. The related term is